Hello all, we have another limit, this time with a compound fraction, so let's get started. So first things first, we're going to take this limit of 10 over x minus 5 all over x minus 7, and we're going to multiply top and bottom by x minus 5. The reason why we're doing this is if you multiply by x minus 5, it's going to cancel very nicely with this denominator here and change this from being a compound fraction problem to something without any compound fractions at all, which is definitely better. So here we go. When we multiply by this x minus 5, remember we are distributing the x minus 5 to both terms here. So the x minus 5 in the numerator cancels with the x minus 5 in the denominator here, leaving us with just 10. And the x minus 5 is multiplied by 5 to leave us with 5x minus 25. So there we go. So there's the numerator taken care of for us. Next up is the denominator. We could multiply this x minus 7 times the x minus 5. It would be pretty easy. In this case, it would be a mistake. We are expecting to be able to cancel an x minus 7 out of this problem because the limiting number is 7 and because this is a 0 over 0 type problem. So we're just going to go ahead and leave this like this, in this nice factored form, and it will be easier for us down the road. Okay, so next up, we'll go ahead and simplify the numerator. And so we have a negative 5x in the numerator. We are adding 10 and subtracting, well, not subtracting 25, we're adding 10 and then we are adding another 25 because the negatives cancel. So we're going to be adding a total of 35. In the denominator we have an x minus 7 and an x minus 5. And as I said before, we are expecting to be able to cancel an x minus 7 out of this, and that helps us know what to do with the numerator. In this numerator we can factor a 5 out, or a negative 5. So we factor negative 5 out of this. This becomes negative 5 times x minus 7, which we can now see is going to cancel very nicely with the x minus 7 in the denominator. So now we will remove those x minus 7's, coming up with a replacement function for the original. And after we make this nice replacement function, the limit laws hold, which means, oh, I switched over to a limit as x approaches 5 here. Been writing too many 5's. Sorry about that. We'll write the 7's back in. There we go. Okay, so now that we've gotten rid of these x minus 7's, the limit laws hold, and we can just go ahead and put 7 into the problem. And after that's done, we're going to be getting negative 5 divided by 2, and there we go, and that's all we really need. So if you have any questions on this, feel free to ask in class. Otherwise, thank you and happy mathing.